So, what happened there?
What do you mean?
Well, why did you get all weird when I put my finger up your ass?
Let's back up. Why did you put your finger in my ass?
I don't know.
We've been married for 5 years. You never done that.
Well, you know, people do that sometimes.
Have you done it before?
Yeah, a lot.
Really?
Yeah, sure. I'm a nurse, dummy. I do it to my patients. And today I was doing it, and I thought, hey, maybe Louie would like this.
Well, I don't. So please don't do it again, okay?
Okay, so you don't want anything put up your ass, but you want to stick your dick up mine?
Wait a minute. Who said that?
What do you mean? Don't all guys fantasize about fucking women up the ass?
I don't.
Really? You don't?
No. I never understood that. I mean, you're a millimeter away from the greatest place on earth. Why would you want to go in someone's dried out little asshole?
Okay, you're kind of putting down my asshole here.
I'm sure your asshole is fine. I never even seen it.
Yeah, well, you should.
Why?
Because I'm your wife. You should see my asshole. You should know everything about me. What if you needed to identify me?
You mean if you have an accident where your teeth are destroyed but your asshole survives? All right, fine, I'll take a look. Jesus. Well, now...
Never gonna happen.